Hello everyone. Today myself Pranjal Verma, solution specialist in water and wastewater, talking from Capricorn Technology, bring you to a weekly insight on how we can perform a unidirectional flushing in water gems. So before going to a technical insight, I would like to give a brief intro about the company. Capricorn Technology is a Win Zero company which is having a legacy of over 3 decades, has now become a partner of choice for the AEC industry. Capricorn Technology is one of the biggest platinum partners of Autodesk and Bentley, along with authorized training center. So today, with over 10 offices across India and to 20 inspired team members, we are serving over nearly about 20,000 customers in the building, infrastructure, manufacturing, along with a large number of other industries as well. So these are some of the features that we shall be discussed during this technical insight. If I talk about the first feature, like how we can understand the flushing concept, then how we are going to create a pipe set for calculating a flushing property, and how to review the flush result. So if I tell like what is the importance of flushing in water distribution system, so actually it helps to maintain the integrity of pipeline by removing debris, sediment and other impurities, and it also increases the efficiency and reliability of pipeline system by improving the flow of fluid and gases. And it also helps to prevent corrosion and buildup of mineral deposits inside pipeline, and it enhances the safety of pipeline system by reducing the risk of rupture and leak. So now I'm just going to switching to the software, and we'll have a live technical session like how we are going to perform a unidirectional flushing. So let's suppose this is my water distribution sample network, and we have to provide a unidirectional flushing event within this distribution network. Generally, in case there we can provide two type of flushing event. The one is conventional flushing, and the second is unidirectional flushing. So I have already created a video on conventional flushing, so you can watch it from our YouTube channel. From there, you can find it that how we can perform a conventional flushing. So and today I'm going to perform a unidirectional flushing event within this sample. So for that, first what we have to do is we have to go to analysis tab here, and you'll find a flushing tool. Just click on this flushing tool. Once you click it, you will find it that this type of dialog box for flushing will be appear. As you can see that for conventional I have already created, so and you can find a video on that also on our YouTube channel. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to highlight the flushing study in the left pane, and I'm going to just highlight and right click on it and going to add button, and when you going to add you find a new area. Just click on this new area. A new flushing study has been for area has been created. Now I'm going to rename it as an uni flushing. After giving the rename under the representative scenario, we have to we have to add the average daily demand as a scenario, and you have to give a flow emitter coefficient value so you can give it according to your need. I'm just giving it as an let's suppose 150. So you can give it according to your need. And the next thing is what we have to do is we have to set the pipe. So from here you can see the three LFC icon. So click on it, and from here pipe set dialog box you can just click on select from drawing. Once you click on it, you will find out that this type of dialog box will be appear. Now what we have to, I'm going to select a different pipe. So let's suppose I'm going to select 555, 54, not 54. Let's suppose 555. Select from drawing. I think there is something. So again, I'm going to select from drawing, click on OK. I'm going to pipe set, select from drawing, then 555, pipe 6, pipe 57, then this one, this one, then I think I'll go with this one, then pipe 9. So you can select according to your need what pipe you have to select. You can select it, and there is also one pipe present here. Yes, that's it. So you can do it according to your need. But after selecting all the relevant pipe, just click on this check mark icon of which is present in green color. So you can see that all the pipe that I have selected is being present within this dialog box. Now I'm going to click OK. So next thing what I will do is I am gonna right click on a new uniflashing event. I'm going to the add and new unidirectional event. Once you go, this type of dialog box will be appear. Now I'm going to select a isolation valve. So first you have to select from here add operational element. Just select this, and now I'm going to select an different isolation valve. So where if I found for hydrant 5, here I am having this isolation one. The second one I am going to with this. Then I'm go with this and this, and also one hydrant. After picking the element and clicking the green check mark, we can review the list of the element to be operated. We can see it here. So feel free to add some respective notes to the element if you want here. Now, next thing what we have to do is we have to identify the pipes to be the part of the pipe run. So by picking the select from drawing button on the right pane, here we can select it. Once we select it, then we pick the option this one, and we're gonna select the pipe which is being attached with the isolation valve. So let's suppose we have pipe 9 here, then we have pipe 6 here, and also if we zoom it, we have pipe 5 here. So now with all of the element identified, we're going to just tick mark the option and going to compute the result. Just I'm going to be the yes. So just computing the result. So you can see that my result is being true. We can also find out that we have pipe 9, pipe 6, and pipe 5 has been generated within the dialog box. So when the run is complete, you can open the flashing result browser by clicking the compute drop down list, and you can see the show flashing result browser. So here you can see the flashing result browser here to show the result. And if you want, you can highlight, like suppose this time within a distribution network there is we can't find like which pipe is being highlighted, so from here you can highlight it. Once you click it, you can highlight, okay, so this pipe and this isolation valve are in being totally used. You can also create a flushing report. But just go to the flush area and generate a flush area report. So you can see that for pipe 5, pipe 6, and pipe 9, the velocity is being increased above the 8 feet per second. So this is how you can do the unidirectional flushing within a distribution. I hope you guys had an insightful session. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel for all update. We would be delighted to hear from you. So do reach out to us for any suggestion, query, or topic you would want to discuss. Thank you everyone. See you next week.